Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will give you a method to make something when you are in a day and you don't want to cook anything. Today we will make the potato with the crunchy egg packaging. So let's see how we will make it and what we will need. Here we will boil half a kilo of potato, half boil on high heat. To make the cover or the packaging we will need half small spoon of vinegar and also for 2 eggs and 1.5 spoon of flour and 1 big spoon of starch. For the spices we will need for paprika, black pepper, coriander grounded slightly and baking powder, salt and cumin. You can change the spices as you want, and we will need also for a green coriander and dill, also for garlic. So let's see how we will make this cover or this packaging. First, I will add the 2 eggs and a half small spoon of vinegar to remove the excess of the egg. Then stir them a little, not too much. Then add the spices with the green coriander and the dill with the garlic. And also stir them very well. Here we will add the starch and the flour and stir them very well also. And if you find that it's so thick, you can add 2 spoons of water. Here we finish, I will cover the potato with this packaging and put it in the oil. Here we will work on middle heat to get crunchy. Here it starts to get a color, and I will flip it on the next side. Here we finish the first amount. I will change it from the tray to the plate and put another amount. Here we finish, and this is the result. Now I will open one with you, and you can see it's crunchy from outside and soft from inside. You can make it in a day that you don't want to cook anything in that day. You can make this potato with the crunchy egg covering or packaging. It will be so tasty. So I hope you try it, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, write your comment. Bye, see you in the next video.